searching for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Jonah area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Georgetown's Jonah area, you have probably been in a wreck. As the careless driving of numerous car owners is getting typical, the accidents are definitely unavoidable. In these mishaps, in some cases the whole car is harmed or the body surface area deals with the impact. Watch this auto body shop video in Jonah. Contact each accident service center in the list your insurance provider provided you. Select the store which you believe is most practical to go to. Choose by comparing the distance of each store from your place and evaluating the store's competence, as there are service centers specializing on just restricted types or brand names of cars and trucks. Body collision repair quote near Georgetown's Jonah. When quote is accepted, the work will be done. Ultimately the moldings and parts are changed and the car or truck is driven to be sure whatever works. You can likewise request included repair work if the outcomes are not acceptable. Body collision repair coverage. Traffic accidents can occur in the most abrupt circumstances, and if you get associated with one, you are bound to put out some cash to fix the damages the event triggered to your car. Repair work expenses might differ depending upon the degree of damage to be handled. There are methods to get a precise quote of accident repair work expenses, particularly if you can quickly contact your insurance provider. Body collision repair equipment. High-tech devices is now offered at vehicle service center like the laser determining system. This system ensures that the repair work is done precisely. Body collision repair technicians. Many a times, car or truck mishaps include more than simple external damage. The wheels get destroyed, radiators squashed, exhaust bent and more. You should likewise get the transmission and positioning inspected. The best mechanic in the right store guarantee your car is as good as brand new prior to returning it to you. Body collision repair near you. Despite the repair work or maintenance done, breakdowns will occur, therefore it's suggested to take it to a garage for a routine checkup. When you are searching for an auto body shop, the last thing you wish to do is employ somebody who is brand new in business or possibly does not have much experience in the market. You likewise wish to discover a store near you so you can quickly get your car repaired rapidly and effectively. Truck body parts. There are numerous dangers you confront with a substandard car repair work. Accident repair work will be costly, however do not let this overwhelm you. With all the dangers included with inexpensive and less than professional repair work, the smarter option will constantly be to have your car fixed and brought back at a reliable and insurance coverage company approved pre-owned car or truck accident center who brings much of the parts required to. Get the best auto body painting. An auto body shop's most typical repair work task is painting or repainting a car or truck. Even an easy scratch can make your car or truck appearance unappealing. Some vehicle service center currently utilize an electronic paint matching system that guarantees the brand new paint on your car compare with your old paint completely. With excellent vehicle body service center around, there is no requirement to fret where and how you will have your car repaired after a mishap. Equipped with high-tech devices nowadays, you can ensure that your car will be fixed rapidly and perfectly. Because of the many services they provide, you just require to send your car to one location for repair work. Auto body collisions usually can replace windshields. If you have an older car, the windscreen and glass windows may take a while to get changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.